YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This one is going to be slightly different as we're currently at Dreamscience and we're going to meet my friend Dave here, who's having a full exhaust system fitted to his Mustang. This is going to be good. Stay tuned. I'm just now waiting for Dave to arrive with his car. It's got a bit cold, so I've had to put my big jackies on. But he should be coming around that corner behind me any minute.
You know how it feels.
So this is Dave, so this is Mustang that's going to get new exhaust. How are you feeling, Dave?
Excited.
Looking forward to it?
I am.
So we're going to do, just going to go take it for a little drive around the block, just make sure that it drives nicely and no rattles or anything. And you get it in on the ramp in there, and we'll be able to view them and watch them put in the exhaust. And then we do the sound check afterwards, and this man here is hoping that it's going to sound amazing, which I think it will, won't it?
Oh,
It's got to. Have you heard one before? Have you?
Only at the meets. Only at the meets.
Oh, there was
and
one, yeah,
on the YouTube as well.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I like the sound of them.
Yeah, I'm sure they sound awesome.
I can't wait. Looking forward to it.
Yeah. Cool. System ready to go on. Obviously not got the old one off yet. Lovely. That's going to be noisy, that there. It's going to be noisy, mate. You won't be able to turn it down though, will you? I've got a little button on mine, I can turn it down though. We've got the X-pipe, so I've got an X-pipe to go on mine. So the minute bit there. So this is going to be cut off then, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. So that's the problem with the X-pipe, is that you've got to cut this middle box out. So you've got, there's no, I've got no joint. Oh, it's this side, right? Yeah, so you've got clamp joints there, but you got to cut these off to get an X-pipe on.
Do these have capacity converters?
Yeah, they're up there.
Yeah, they're here.
They're big luggers. That's why you're going from the Cat-back out.
Right, yeah. Oh, that's why it's called Cat-back.
Yeah.
You replace all of the exhaust.
It feels. Now everything seems unreal. Everything you see becomes concealed. You get rid of your faith before it heals. You know that I was never gonna face this alone. You know that I was never gonna face this alone.
The difference in thickness of this pipe. This is the old pipe that's come off, and these are the new pipes that are going on. So just so Dave can see, what we thought we'd just do is lay them down here side by side. So this obviously is the new pipe, and this is the old one that's coming off, and the actual size difference is huge. It's that tiny little straw that he had on before. Look at that. That is going to make one hell of a difference in sound, and that is going to give you a few brake horsepower, I think. Oh, you're excited now, are you?
Very excited.
Yeah. Not far off, is it? Not far off. You get there? So yeah, so all the exhaust has now been removed of where it's going to go anyway. So obviously they've got the cut parts here where it's going to join.
Now everything seems unreal. Everything you see becomes concealed. You get rid of your faith before it heals. You know that I was never gonna face this alone. You know that I was never gonna face this alone.
the back boxes on. And look at these tips. These are beautiful. Fist test. Yes, passes. Flying colours. Oh, it's looking absolutely superb. Test drive now. You're a happy man then, Dave?
Have been. I'm very thrilled.
Yeah.
Really happy. It sounds absolutely fantastic, and thanks to Dreamscience, these guys here.
Brilliant. What a great service.
Brilliant job. And also they do a great cup of coffee.
Yeah. Only one though. It'd be nice to have another one.
It would.
I got my coffee an hour off.
And he's the boss.
Yeah.
And I asked for it and it just disappeared.
We only got one when we came, but they haven't offered us another one.
No biscuits.
No biscuits. No. So a bit of a letdown on that. But as exhaust fitting goes, pretty good.
Really happy. Thumbs up on me.
So there we go. Thanks again to Dreamscience for letting us film this while Dave had his exhaust fitted. It sounds absolutely awesome. And can't do it to mine obviously because I've got the dynamic exhaust anyway, so I don't need it. But this was a pre-facelift with just the standard exhaust on. Now it sounds fantastic. So yeah, brilliant. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you did like this video, give me the thumbs up. Till the next time guys, stay safe.